How to fix the Windows 11 audio and sound problems. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you're having some of the troubles with the audio and the sound problems, here are a few troubleshoots that you can apply. The very first one would be running and scanning to detect any problem. For this, search for the troubleshoot options in the settings. Or what you can do is open the settings, go to system, then select on troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and click on the run button next to audio. This will detect for any problem and rectify it then and there. This should probably fix the issue. If it does not, move to method 2, which is to open services.msc. Once you open the services application, open Windows Audio. Now what you have to do is right click on it and then go to the properties. Go to startup type, select it as automatic, click on apply and then on OK. After that, make sure to restart your computer and check if the issue persists. Likewise, the third method would be device manager and the driver update. Go to device manager, go to sound, right click on the audio driver and update it. You can choose both browsing or the automatic update as well. Likewise, another solution would be right click on the sound settings and then go to sound settings. This will open the settings, click more sound settings, and on this interface, click on speaker and properties. Now go to advanced tab and make the changes in one of them. After that, tap on the restore defaults and click on apply and OK. This will rectify any problem and solve the issue as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.